everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a very exciting video. This is a haul video. If you have been here before, you know that I love stuff. I love shopping. I love buying things, but I especially love Disney, if you can't tell by my Evil Queen shirt. And I love nerdy stuff. I'm a very big comic book fan. I read a lot of graphic novels and comic books and that kind of stuff in my, monthly readings and everything like that. So today I have a haul of all Disney and nerdy stuff that I'm very excited to show you. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is go through the stuff from Boxlunch. So everything I get from Boxlunch is Disney related. That's where I got this shirt. It's where I got some of my latest collectibles and knickknacks and stuff like that. But I ordered online from them because they were having a sale probably about like a month and a half ago now. And I got some things I'm very excited for. So the first thing is a new mini backpack. I kept seeing this on a Facebook ad. Yes, the Facebook ad got me. And I kept seeing it and thought, oh no, it's really expensive. And then it went on sale, and then it went on sale again. And then I had some Boxlunch money and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. And it is the Danielle, Nicole Fox and the Hound mini backpack. It is a little bit bigger than my Loungefly backpack. I have a mini Haunted Mansion backpack, but this one is a tad bit bigger. It has pockets on the sides, so I can actually stick my phone and stuff in it. This is a pocket in the front that zips and unzips, and then the inside, I don't even know if the inside has a cute lining. I literally haven't opened it. Okay, no, it's just a gray lining, but there's lots of pockets in here to put stuff and zipper pockets. So the next time I am able to go to Disney, I will be carrying this because it is so stinking cute. I mean, it is adorable. You can see they're playing on the log. The Fox and the Hound is making a really big comeback right now. I don't know if it's an anniversary year or something, but I adore this backpack and I'm so excited to carry it, and it's gonna go with so much stuff because there's so many colors. And yeah, so this is my new baby. I picked up some pins to get free shipping. I am a pin collector. Disney pins are my jam. Sorry, I felt like I didn't have my necklace on, but I do. I collect Disney pins and I love them dearly. So I got 3 new pins. These ones you wouldn't be able to trade in the park if that's something you're interested in doing. These are just Disney themed ones that I wanted to get from Loungefly. So first up, we have Gus from Cinderella with a big stack of cheese. I'm trying to get it so there's not a glare. He is so stinking cute. As soon as I saw the Gus pin, I had to get it because you really don't see him on a lot of stuff. And then I got the Muses from Hercules, kind of standing in the Parthenon, I think, when they're the pillars. It's kind of hard to tell. It's just their silhouettes, but I thought this was really cool. And then I got Heimlic from Bug's Life, just kind of hanging out under a tree with a butterfly on his back, I think, or it might be when he starts to turn into a butterfly. I love him in the movie with the little bumblebee scene. So I got that, and then I got a new shirt. This is a long sleeve. I love their long sleeve t-shirts. A lot of their clothes are unisex, so when you're sizing, just take that into mind. This one is a unisex, and I got a medium, and it's a little big, but I like their long sleeves to be big. So this is a brave one. It says the Highland Games compete for the hand of the fair maiden, and it's basically just the scene where she is fighting for her own hand. So I had to get it when I saw it. I love Merida, and it's so hard to find stuff with her on it. So I got that. And the last thing I got is this puzzle. We've been doing a lot of puzzles in quarantine. And we've been doing lots of Disney ones. So I got this 750 piece puzzle. It looks like this on the back. It's just a bunch of Disney pins laid out that you put together. So I got that from Boxlunch. Now that is everything from Boxlunch. It wasn't a lot. I just got a handful of things because I really wanted the backpack. So I figured I might as well order everything all at once. Next, the things I got are from Cryptozoic. They are a company that sells DC stuff, and I got honestly my new prized possessions here. I love mystery figures. I've unboxed them before, especially my DC little bombshells. I got those, oh gosh, I think I maybe got them my freshman year of college, maybe my sophomore year. I always decorated my room in college with them. Like I put them on my windowsill. But I found out like in 2017, I think the first batch came out, that they don't make them. They like stopped making them in like 2018, and I was looking all over for them, couldn't find them anywhere. And then I came upon them, I think maybe it was a Facebook ad again or something, I don't know, but this has been a journey to get these anyway. Oh no, it was Instagram. There were special edition ones I saw on Instagram I wanted to get, and then I thought I would look around the website, and I found that they came out with a new series in 2029. And 2029, Jesus, 2019. So I wanted to get them all, so I bought a whole case. And now they're available like everywhere. They're at Walmart. I don't know if Hot Topic has them again, but that's where I originally got them. And I got a whole case of series 3. I have series 1. I have some from series 1, some from series 2. That's where I have the most of them from, and then a few from series 1.5. So I wanted to get a full case of series 3 before they disappear off the face of the earth again. But they're far cheaper now. They are only $4.99 a tin compared to when they first came out, and they were like $14 a tin. So I am to the point where I think it is going to be cheaper for me to go on eBay and buy specific ones that I know what I'm getting, to complete the collection, because I want to complete the collection. But I'm going to open these up for you guys. I am keeping this box because I love it, and it gives me a place to store the tins. Before I threw the tins away. So now we are going to open them. I did already remove all the plastics from them, so I do know what I have in here, but I really didn't take a fine look at them, so I'm excited to see. And Sean opened half of them. Okay, the first one, oh, here's all the ones you can get on the side. Focus on the tin, maybe. Okay, well, there's 12 in each, with 2 chases, and then there's 10 super rare variants of each character. So the first one is Barda. She is the one who kind of forms the Suicide Squad, and she is in a blimp most of the Bombshell series, but I think she's awesome. I would love to do a cosplay of Barda. She's so fabulous. I love the outfit. I love the details they put in these. They're so perfect. So I have that one. Next one. Okay, so Starfire from, like, she's in Teen Titans and stuff, is in this series as well, and she is a firefighter. There is a super rare version of her where it is all black, and there were only like 300 of them made, and people are selling them for like $50. I'm not gonna lie, I'm prepared to pay it. Like, I freaking love it. I love how perfect these are. They are so amazing. I love this collection. Like, I want them all. The next one is Superman. He is in the Bombshell series. They started adding guys to this in the second one, I think, or maybe this is the first one that there's guys in. I don't know. It used to just be only the female characters, and now it is male and female characters. So Superman lifting weights because he's supposed to be like the strong man in a circus in the series. Fun. All right, this is, I don't remember if this is, yeah, this is Power Girl. So she's amazing. I love this hair, and the whole mold of this character is like perfect. Like, they like contour the back muscles and everything. Like, she is awesome. This whole, I just fell in love with the Bombshell series when I was a freshman in college, and it's just like been a staple in my life since. So, oh, this is my first Harley one that I've ever gotten. I've tried to get Harley in every series, and I cannot get her to save my life. So I guess I just have to buy full cases of everything. But it's Harley with her hyenas. Adorable. I love it. She's so cute. And she has so many different outfits in this series that I really want to get like one of each. There's even variants of variants. Like, there's 3 versions of Catwoman, I think. And I think I only have one, but I'm not even sure. I don't think I have any Catwoman. Okay, next we have Batman. He's supposed to be like a private eye sort of guy here with like his gadgets still. I don't remember some of these being in, I haven't read them in a while, but I don't remember them all being in the series. Like the Flash is supposed to be like a roller dino girl, and I don't remember her appearing in the series until like the last page of the last one, which came out like in 2019. So I don't know if it was just planned and it never happened. But anyway, here's Stargirl. She's pretty cool. I'm really happy to have her and Power Girl because they're supposed to be sisters. Next one, I think she's the only one from the Suicide Squad that is in here. And oh god, I dropped it. She's the only one from Suicide Squad in here, and that is Ravager. She is amazing. She's like this cool pirate. I'm pretty sure she's a vampire in the series, but she lives in a swamp. So I just love the skirt and the whole I want to make this costume. I would wear the bejesus out of that. So they included the Joker in this series. He looks pretty standard by Joker terms. Now in the series, there's the Joker's daughter. So I think he shows up at one point, but I can't. It's been a while since I've read through them. I'm super excited about this one because I already have Zatanna. This is Raven. She's so cool. And I'm actually looking at this, and this might be a variant or a chase because she kind of looks gray. And they do like noir ones, so I will have to look and see. But she looks kind of like she might be a variant. Yeah, I forgot I got a super rare variant here, so I'll show you. Some of them are bronze, some of them are silver, and some of them are gold is the way this basically works. In this series, they are all silver, and they look like this. So it's just the figure, but instead of being like painted and all detailed, they are sprayed in a metallic paint. And so they look like little statues, and Juniper is rubbing like all up on the box here. But this is like basically the statue of Power Girl. And the final one in the case is actually a repeat. We found this out. So I will probably try and either trade this with someone who has maybe one of the other ones I want, or sell it to somebody who wants to complete the collection. Because I think, yeah, I would have to probably like do some serious like persuading to get somebody to trade for Superman, who I think is probably fairly common considering I got a double of him, or for a chase or a variant or something like that, unless someone really has some doubles and wants him and can't find him. So I have one more thing from this site, and it is like my prized possession. This is one of 300. They only made 300 of these, and that is the Lil Bombshells Powerful in Pink collection. It looks just like this. It's Wonder Woman with her shield and Harley, but they are painted in pink. You can only get these in this set unless someone splits them up and sells them, which would be terrible. But this is one of 300, and they are actually numbered, but I think the number is in the box. So I am never going to open this. I'm keeping it sealed. It's going to go up on my shelf just like this. They also have Christmas ones, I guess, that I want to get, and they have black and white Harley and Wonder Woman in this kind of box where it's only one of 300. So I am definitely going to order from Cryptozoic again. The stuff got here super fast. I think it was here in 3 days. There's free shipping on stuff over $50, and if you buy 12 figures, you get the whole display. So I will probably only order like, 4 or 5 next time, or maybe I'll order a whole nother case and unbox them here. I don't know. Hello. So you probably watched the first part of this video and realized I'm in different clothes and different makeup and everything. That's because after that video, 2 more trips to Boxlunch happened, one online and one in store. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got just to kind of beef up this haul a little bit. One of the things I got that was on my wish list actually online that I was able to get because I got more lunch money when I went in store and all that stuff. So I got the Fox and the Hound crew neck to match my mini backpack. This is a large because this is a ladies size. So I tend to be a ladies size, if I didn't mention this already, a ladies size large at Boxlunch and unisex between a small and a medium depending on the cut. So this is the sweatshirt. It's just, you know, the Fox and the Hound on the front, and it's like this really pretty teal color, and I think it's just gonna match my backpack so perfectly, and I can take it and put it in my mini backpacks when we go to Disney, so I can wear them all together, and if I get hot, take it off. It's a whole thing. I also got a Cake-worthy shirt from there. They have these really cool all over patterns, and I really wanted the Hercules one, but it's sold out, and I should have got it when I first saw it. But I got the DuckTales one instead, so it's Huey, Dewey, Louie, and Scrooge McDuck. This is a large as well, just because cake-worthy stuff tends to shrink, I have found. But for width-wise, I need it large, but length-wise, I need it like a medium or a small. So I think I am just going to wear it as a crop top and maybe roll up the sleeves so it just fits me a little bit better and is more tailored. Plus, this is like a lot of pattern to wear completely just like uncropped. So we'll see how I feel about that one, but either way, I will wear it. Then I got a, it says Neverland shirt with Skull Rock on it, and then on the back it is Camp Neverland for Lost Boys Summer of 53, which is when the movie came out. This is so soft, and it will probably shrink because it's 100% cotton, so it is a unisex size. So I don't think I'm going to dry it. I think I'm just going to wash it in cold water and call it a day. Then I only have two more things to show you, so not a whole lot. I got a card holder because only one of my backpacks has pockets, and I just want to have a space to put my cards. So I got the Lost Boys one. This goes with a different backpack, but it still matches the color scheme of my Fox and the Hound one. And then I also got another t-shirt that says Heffalump Protection Agency. We got your back on this side, and then on the back it has the Heffalump sucking up honey. So, and this is a large because this is a ladies cut. So that is it for my box lunch haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you at the end of this video back in the other clothes I had on. But that is the end of my nerdy stuff haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys collect nerdy stuff, let me know down below what you collect. I am a Funko little vinyl figure type person myself. So if you collect them, let me know. Or if you have any of the bombshells from other series, let me know and we can talk pricing. But that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.